What are you doing?
I'm combing my hair because I want to be a YouTube sensation.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why do you want to be a YouTube sensation?
Because. Because I want to be an actress.
Oh, really?
But my brother doesn't want me to be an actress. He doesn't want to get me to act for him, for his films, for his story. That's why I changed plan.
Why?
I planned.
Can you act?
Now I want to be a YouTube
Hey, can you
sensation.
act? Do you know how to act?
Of course.
Okay, let's try it. Can you cry? Like as if you lost a piece of paper?
Wait, wait. Can you say lights, camera, action?
Okay. Lights, camera, action. You lost a piece of paper.
Nawawala yung papel ko.
Oh, English.
Have you seen my paper? I lost my paper. Can you please give it back to me?
Can you act like horror? Like for example, I'm the killer. Okay,
I
girl.
told you.
Can you do funny stuff like a comedian?
Okay. Will you sing the what's that? The face dance tune?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.